Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to add contacts and manage lists in Brevo. Brevo is an all in one CRM and marketing platform designed to help you organize your audience, manage your relationships, and send personalized campaigns efficiently. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add contacts, import multiple contacts, and manage lists efficiently inside of Brevo. Before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, using the link that I've put below. You also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. Once you log into your Brevo account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of your tools and features. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Here, click on the CRM tab. This will expand a list of subtabs such as contacts, lists, segments, and companies. Now, click on the Contacts subtab. It will open on the right side of your screen, displaying a complete list of all of your existing contacts. From here, you can easily view, search, and manage your customer database. To add a new contact, click on the Create a Contact button located at the top right corner of the page. As soon as you click it, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll enter the contact's information. Now, fill in the details such as first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Below that, you can also enter additional information such as external ID, double in, lists, opt in, associate to companies, contact time zone, job title, and LinkedIn account URL. Now, these are extra fields that help you personalize your communication and keep your database organized. Once all of the required details are filled in, click on the Create button at the bottom of the sidebar. The contact will be instantly added to your Brevo database, and you'll see it appear in your contact list. If you're managing a large number of contacts, Brevo also lets you import multiple contacts at once. If you would like to do this, click on the Import Contacts button next to the Create button. You'll be prompted to upload a CSV file containing all of the contact information. Make sure your file is properly formatted with columns like name, email, and phone number so that Brevo can read and map your data accurately. After uploading, you can review your contacts, confirm the fields, and finalize the import. Now, this method saves a lot of time if you have hundreds or even thousands of contacts to add. Once your contacts are added, Brevo gives you multiple ways to manage them easily. You can filter contacts based on tags, attributes, or subscription status to find exactly who it is you're looking for. You can also add contacts to specific lists for targeted campaigns or create segments to group users based on shared behaviors or demographics. All of these management tools make it easy to keep your database organized and ensure that every contact receives the right message at the right time. Now that you know how to add and manage your contacts, let's move forward and learn how to create and manage lists inside of Brevo. Lists are an essential part of Brevo. They help you group and organize your contacts for more personalized communication and efficient campaign management. To manage your lists, navigate to the left side menu again and click on the Lists tab under the CRM section. This will open the Lists page where you can see all of your existing lists along with important details such as list name, ID, folder, number of contacts, and creation date. To create a new list, click on the Create a List button located at the top right corner of the page. A right side panel will then appear where you'll be able to fill out the required information. First, enter the name of the list and then select a folder where you want to place the list. Once everything is set, click on the Create List button at the bottom. After your list has been created, you can organize it by placing it into folders for easier navigation and better management. For example, you can create folders based on campaign type, region, or customer category. Whatever makes sense for your workflow, create it like that. And if you want to view or edit an existing list, simply click on the list name. For example, your first list. This will open the list page showing all of the contacts that belong to it. Inside of this page, you can manage each contact individually. You can add contacts to another list, add them to a block list, or perform more actions like editing contact details, assigning them to an automation, exploring their data, or removing them from the list completely. If you want to delete a contact permanently, you can also do that from this page. Just be cautious because deleting contacts cannot be undone. Now, let's say that you want to manage your list itself rather than individual contacts. To do this, go back to the lists page. Here you'll notice three dots right there next to each list under the action column. Clicking on these three dots will open a menu that allows you to customize and manage your lists even further. From this menu, you can manage list settings, duplicate a list, import contacts to the list, rename the list, move it to another folder, or delete the list altogether. These options are especially useful when you want to keep your list structured and easy to navigate. Additionally, Brevo has a search bar at the top of the lists page, so you can use it to quickly find a list by typing its name or ID. This is very helpful if you have a lot of lists and you want to find one quickly without scrolling. All right, that's how you can add contacts and manage lists in Brevo. We went through how to create new contacts, import multiple contacts, and organize them into well structured lists for better communication and campaign management. And don't forget, if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab that 50% off Brevo's starter and business plans for 3 months using the link in the description. Plus, you'll get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.